Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tate's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make very simple and easy hot and sour soup. Ingredients required are ginger, garlic, carrots, beans, cabbage, capsicum, spring onion, soy sauce, red chili sauce, pepper powder, corn flour, salt and oil. Take a vessel, add 3 tablespoons oil. Add freshly chopped ginger and garlic. Add spring onions and saute for 30 seconds. Now add finely chopped carrot and beans. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Add little finely chopped capsicum and saute for a minute. Now add finely chopped cabbage and saute for a minute. Do not overcook the veggies. Add 5 to 6 glasses of water and give it a good mix. Now close the lid until it comes to boil. Once it starts boiling, open the lid, add 3 tablespoons soy sauce, add 3 tablespoons red chili sauce and give it a good mix. Now add 1/4 tablespoon pepper powder, add salt to taste and give it a good mix. After 3 to 4 minutes of boiling, take 2 tablespoons corn flour, add water and mix it well. Add this corn slurry into your soup and boil it for 5 minutes. Now the soup thickens. Add little spring onion and turn off the flame. This is the best soup during your cold and cough. You can also make this hot soup during rainy and winter days. Sprinkle little spring onion before serving. Hot and sour soup is now ready to serve. Try this tasty soup recipe at home and do comment in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notifications of my further videos. Thanks for watching guys. Bye-bye.